This is the official version of elbow cough, elbow sneeze. Elbow cough, elbow sneeze, get that elbow up there, please. Elbow cough, elbow sneeze, get that elbow up there, please. But if your nose sniffs or blows, use a tissue, not your clothes. If your nose sniffs or blows, use a tissue, not your clothes. It is highly recommended that until your cold has ended, if you keep a handy tissue, spreading germs won't be an issue. Gesundheit, Gesundheit, Gesundheit. Elbow cough, elbow sneeze, get that elbow up there, please. Elbow cough, elbow sneeze, get that elbow up there, please.